In this video, I'm going to show you how to export historical data from cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do here in your chart, you want to go to the top left, you want to hover over this button and enable or show trade watch. Okay, so click on that. You could also do that with Ctrl+W on your keyboard, and it's going to open up your positions and orders and everything down here at the bottom. Now, from here, you want to make sure you have some history. So you want to go to the history tab, and you must have something inside your history if you actually want to export your historical data. So I'm just going to close these two positions here I have as well, just to get some more history. There we go. And if I go to history, you can see all of my trades over here. Now you can select the period. So for example, you could do all history, you could do the day, you could do yesterday or whatever you want. And then whenever you select whatever you want to do here, you could go and basically go to the statement button in the far right here. And then you can click on this arrow down button, and it's going to allow you to select what you want to do. So you can export to HTML, you can export to XLSX, which is basically Excel, or you could do both. So I'm going to do both over here. I'm going to show you what happens. So I just basically click on statement now, and it's going to open up this folder inside which I can see all of my history. So if I just click on that, for example, which got exported, I can now see it inside Excel, but I could also do an HTML if I want to. And of course, I can open this one as well by just double clicking on that and selecting an app to open it. So that's essentially how to export historical data. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.